So today we're making refried beans. You can make your own beans by cooking the pinto beans and then smashing them. But because my schedule is pretty hectic, I like to use the canned refried beans. So we're going to use the canned refried beans, and I also like to put this in there, the diced tomatoes with chiles. It gives it a nice little kick. And we're going to be using garlic, onion, and of course bell pepper. So we're also going to be using some fresh herbs. If you don't have fresh herbs, you can use dry herbs, which is thyme, basil, and cilantro. Okay, let's get started. We have our garlic. Our onion. And our bell pepper. You can also add some jalapeno if you would like, but my daughter doesn't like spicy, so I don't add that. And we're going to add our tomatoes. We're adding our no salt organic seasoning. And we're also adding some McKay's vegan chicken seasoning. I like to add a little bit of water just because it gives more fluid. And you're just going to heat this till it's warm all the way through and everything is cohesive, meaning that it's all mixed together well. And if you saw my previous video, you would have seen the video where we made a Belizean vegan fried jack. This goes well with that. And with some avocados. And if you have some scrambled tofu, that would go well also. Okay, and this is all done.